It's been a minute, you all. It's been a minute. But I'm cooking today and I'm making some corn chowder today. So I am roasting off these poblano peppers, which I'm going to put in that paper bag so that I can peel them. But I just took them out of the oven. I'm going to do that now. And also I have fresh corn that I'm going to cut off the cob. And I have some corn that I've added a little thyme butter to that I'm going to roast. And then I'm going to cut that off the cob and put that in there as well. So there's a lot going on. I'm dicing up my vegetables. I'm going to caramelize those onions. I'm going to saute the carrots as well as some bell pepper will be in there and some celery. So just wanted to come on real quick and let you know what I'm doing today. Yeah, I'll be back. Bye. So I took some of the corn off of the cobs. I put aside, I had about 12 cobs, I guess. I can't remember, but I think it was 12 cobs of corn that I bought fresh. A little bit expensive. I like to do more when they're in season because then it's less expensive, but we really wanted corn chowder, so I just splurged a little bit. I had about 12 cobs, like I said, and I cut off, I set aside about 5 of those cobs of corn and cut that off. So that's what that is. I'm going to put that in the count corn chowder. And then the rest of them I roasted. So it's going to have that good, sweet, caramelized flavor from the corn itself. So I'm going to cut that off as well because that's going to go into the stew. And you all know how I like caramelized onions. It just elevates the flavor of onion to me. Yes, I do sometimes leave them raw. Because I know that could be a question. But I caramelized the onions. That's going to go into there. And in here I have the carrots and the celery and the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. That's just kind of sauteing. I also put some minced garlic in here. And that's just waiting for the rest of the ingredients. So that's where we are now. I also have, excuse me, some potatoes that are roasting in the oven because that's going to go in there. So it's time for me to take those out. So I have to let you all go. We'll come back though. So to show our progress. Bye. So I forgot to show you the peppers that I roasted in the oven. So I took them out and I just scraped off the skin with the sharp knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dice those up and I'm going to put those in the corn chowder as well to add a bit of a spice, a little bit of a kick to the chowder. So I just wanted to show you. I took them out of the oven, roasted them until the skin turned charred. I didn't roast them, I'm sorry. I broiled them under the broiler. I put them under the broiler, put a little bit of olive oil on them under the broiler till the skin got blistered and really dark. And then I took them out and put them in a paper bag and let them sit in there for a few minutes and took them out. And the skin came off relatively easy. So that's just, I wanted to show you that process. And we'll let you know about the process and also show you what they look like after they have been roasted. Alrighty, we'll come back. Bye. So you all know I try and get in greens whenever I can. I'll throw some greens, some kale, some spinach, some collard greens, whatever, turnip greens, whatever, whenever and wherever I can. So this is the actual corn chowder. And I threw in some spinach. It just has to cook down. I just put it in there, some fresh corn chowder. And also has, if you can see it, some fresh thyme, which is going to add some nice flavor. Those are my potatoes that I roasted. And like I said, all the other components, which I went over with you, is looking good. So as soon as that spinach cooks down, that will be it. The roasted poblano peppers are in there. And yeah, it's coming along. I'll come back and show you the end result. Thanks, guys. Bye. Had some rotisserie chicken and decided to shred that up and throw that in there as well. So there it is. It's the corn chowder. And once we bowl it up, I will show you a final picture. But this is basically it. Had my potatoes, my roasted potatoes, my roasted corn, fresh off the cob, carrots, caramelized onions, bell pepper, poblano pepper, red pepper, garlic. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. It should be nice and healthy though, and well, nice and tasty. Yeah, healthy too, I guess. Aside from the chicken, even though chicken's not really unhealthy, but I don't like to eat a lot of meat. But since I had it, remember this is the year of use what you have. So we're using what we have. But this is it. I will let you know how it tastes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Final product. Sous chef, I can't take him anywhere. Final product, this is the corn chowder. If you ask what that is on top, I took the skin from the rotisserie chicken and I crisped it a little bit. So that's all that is, just to add a little texture. But this is it. And hopefully the sous chef will like it.
I can't wait.
Thanks for watching, guys. There he is. He's so handsome. Bye, guys.